News. My name is Suresh Kocharkar. The Enforcement Directorate on Tuesday arrested the former CFO and internal auditor of Cox and Kings Group in connection with a money laundering probe in the Yes Bank alleged loan default case. The agency said that the ex-chief financial officer Anil Khandelwal and internal auditor Naresh Jain were arrested under the provision of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act of PMLA. Both the accused were produced before a local court that sent them to 7 days ED custody, it said in a statement. It had also searched the residential premises of the two former executives of the company in Mumbai in June this year. The beleaguered tours and travels company had told Bombay Stock Exchange post these raids that the action was carried out by the ED at the residential premises of the suspended directors of the company and erstwhile key managerial personnel who have resigned from the company. These raids were carried out by the Enforcement Directorate in the matter of a loan availed by the company from Yes Bank under the tenure of the Board of Directors, which are now suspended due to the commencement of the corporate insolvency resolution process. The Central Probe Agency said that its probe had found that Yes Bank had a total outstanding of 3,642 crore against Cox and Kings Group of companies. It is alleged that the two executives purchased various immovable properties from the funds diverted from Cox and Kings Group. Cox and Kings Group forged its consolidated financials by manipulating the balance sheet of overseas subsidiaries. In addition, some of the board resolutions submitted to the banks for sanctioning the loans were also found to be forged, the Enforcement Directorate claimed. The probe revealed that the loan sanction from Yes Bank was driven by the then CMD Rana Kapoor and was given bypassing the norms, it said. The Enforcement Directorate gathered the evidences regarding clear instructions of Rana Kapoor to the concerned bank officials to get the said loan continued and not take any efforts to recover it, it alleged. During the financial year 2015-2019, sales of 3,908 crore were made to 15 non-existent and fictitious customers. Majority of collection shown in the ledgers of EasyGo, another group entity of Cox and Kings Group, was not found in the bank statements. Also, there were fictitious 15 high-value debtors reflected in the books of accounts, the Enforcement Directorate said. Another 141 sets of customers, it said, also appeared to be suspicious and non-existent. Cox and Kings Limited has diverted 1,100 crores to another stressed company without any approval of the board and had no business relationship with the company. During this entire process, Khandelwal and Jain acquired the mortgage property amounting to 63 crores to their business-owned entity, Reward Business Solutions, without paying a penny from their pocket, the agency said, underlying the role of these two arrested accused. The probe found that EasyGo, rupees 150 crore were diverted from this company to Red Kite Capital Private Limited, which is promoted by the family members of Khandelwal and Jain. Investigation conducted so far has revealed that the bank transaction of Cox and Kings Group are not matching with the books of accounts that Khandelwal and Jain created, disparities between the books of accounts and the bank statements to camouflage the fraud. Yes Bank co-promoter Rana Kapoor and DHFL promoters Kapil Wadhwan and Dheeraj Wadhwan have been arrested in this case by the Enforcement Directorate early this year, and they are in judicial custody at present. The Enforcement Directorate had booked Kapoor, his family members and others under the PMLA after studying a CBI FIR that alleged that dubious multi-crore loans were given by Yes Bank to various entities in contravention of the law and in lieu of the purported kickbacks given to the Kapoor family. Thank you for watching.